Hello, how are you doing? Today's video is just a wing. I don't think so. I use 4 eyeshadow palettes, of course different shades. This is a basic. I will pair it with some shades here and a couple of shades there here later on, so you can see different looks, but you can just adapt this and put it another shades on top. Basically what I'm doing is I will put an eyeliner that is a cream or a gel eyeliner, and on top I will set it with an eyeshadow to create the color I want. And because this is purple themed or violet themed, lilac, I will show you different shades at the end of the video so you can see how they look. But basically I will give you what is the base of it and then the wing. What I'm going to do now is I will set the transition shade with this shade here. I will pick this shade and I will apply it all over the lid. Now, to deepen the crease, initially I would use this shade from the Blush edition, this shade. And this shade, just a touch. Now that I have the eyeliner, I will grab the lilac that is in here and I will press it on. Well, this is the full eye look, but I will show you a couple more with different shades so you can have variation. Well, I will just show you with one eye what is the difference, and this is the original. And I use this shade. It's a Duochrome, so it's more vibrant than this one. So that is other purples. Well, this one is with this shade. And I will show you finally this shade here. I use another palette that is this plum that is matte. Well, so thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.